Well, we've come to the point on the calendar that it's autumn. And I have to begin to get my poor Tahoe ready for the winter. Which means '26 has got to come off. But I think we have a few more days left. We got to shine that thing up. Also, I've been reminded, can you just give me a like and maybe subscribe, hit the subscribe button? I think I'm supposed to like tell you to do that because it'll help. Well, don't, because then it won't. Alright, so today's the day. I gotta put the normal wheels back on, get ready for the winter. At the same time, I'm gonna spray some fluid film on what's left of the frame. Maybe some paint. Just try to make it live a little bit longer. Back on, a little dirty, but some GMC, I think they're off 15 Sierra 17s, 18s. Oh, they look tiny. So the back needs some help. I'd imagine everyone else's does too up north. I wouldn't use this anymore. This thing's gone. But I'll just try to keep what's left. Oof. My body mount's cooked. It's fine. I guess this stuff's good for battery terminals. Couple little baby bolts. That's about a can. I got 4 of them. Like to do the Mustang. right, now what? Let's take it for a spin. Add some windshield washer fluid. Yep. I can't even lie, it drives so much better with these wheels. Obviously I knew it would be better, but it is like smooth. Maybe this has plenty of life to it. Maybe I could start dailying this. Almost immediately after saying that, I feel like I can hear the power steering pump.